Sodium is stored under paraffin. The most common compound of sodium is table salt, sodium chloride. This is made when sodium is oxidized by chlorine. Sodium loses its one outer electron, becoming a positively charged sodium ion. Chlorine, with 7 outer electrons, is one short of a stable octet. It gains the electron from sodium to become a negatively charged chloride ion. These oppositely charged ions attract each other, forming an ionic bond, and this gives us sodium chloride, our common salt. Technically speaking, chlorine is diatomic, so one Cl2 molecule takes electrons from 2 sodium atoms. In the solid state, these ions arrange into a face-centered cubic crystal lattice. Large natural deposits of this crystalline sodium chloride are called halite, which is the mineral form of rock salt that we mine. Blue halite is formed when sodium chloride is irradiated with gamma rays or with X-rays. Wouldn't be a video about sodium without adding some water. The instant sodium touches water, electrons jump out of the sodium into the water phase, where they exist briefly as solvated electrons. The outer layer of the sodium droplet is stripped of electrons, leaving behind a dense cluster of sodium ions. Those sodium ions are all packed together, and like charges repel very strongly. Force becomes stronger than the cohesive metallic bonding that normally holds sodium atoms together. The droplet's surface literally blows apart from the electrostatic stress. This is the Coulombic explosion. The fragments now have a vastly increased surface area, so they react with the water much more quickly, producing hydrogen and heat in a runaway burst. The hydrogen may then ignite after the explosion has already happened. Freshly cut sodium has a shiny luster. This does not last long because it oxidizes. On this sample you can see a coating. This is mostly sodium carbonate hydroxide, sodium oxide and sodium peroxide, also superoxide.
The alkali lake is devoid of fish and forms an admirable disposal spot. A 3,500-pound container of sodium hurtles into the lake and crashes through a foot of ice. As the water seeps in, smoke rises through a series of muffled explosions.